Hi, I'm Landon from Green Tool Garage, and today we're going to take a look at the newly released USB lithium 4-volt drain auger. Let's unbox it and take a look. Empty out the contents here. All right, first off, we have an included bag. The bag is mesh. And that's a good touch for after you're done with repairing your drain clogged, because the tool is most likely going to be wet and the cable is probably going to be a little bit wet also. A mesh bag will help keep it from building up and the moisture building up inside of a clothes bag and getting mold and getting all smelly. So nice touch. It does come with the cable that connects to the auger. This is a metal cable. It is not plastic. It also comes with the new version of the USB lithium batteries. This is a 2 amp hour, the one with the onboard fuel gauge. You press the button and it tells you if it's the battery's charged or not. And it comes with the actual tool itself. Now, first impressions, it looks just like the USB lithium mini scrubber that was released last year, and I know that for a fact because I have 2 of them because I use those all the time. Very, very similar, but there are some differences here. So I'm going to pop the battery in and I'm going to show you the differences that you'll notice on the back panel here, as well as the connector for connecting attachment. This is not a hex attachment, and you pull the lock mechanism down to insert the cable. In fact, let me do that first. Be very careful when you undo this because there is a lot of tension on these cables, and if you're not careful, it can fling back and smack you right in the face. So be careful. It does have a nice rubber handle on here, and you can notice here it has a rounded type edge right there. So what you do is you pull back the lock mechanism and then you slide it, and then once you have it in place, then you release the lock mechanism and it will hold the cable very nice and secure. Then you can pull that handle back down here and it'll go right over that lock. Insert the battery. We all know how to insert these smaller batteries. Okay, let's turn it on. So as you notice, this compared to the mini brush is this does not have an on and off button, but instead it actually has 2 directional buttons. You have a clockwise and you have a counterclockwise. To engage the tool, you press and hold on to your desired direction. And once you lift your finger off, it automatically stops. And here's the counterclockwise. You can easily press it with your thumb when you're actually using it. Put one hand onto the rubber handle and let it do its magic. Now this cable is 3 feet long, so this is perfect for those smaller drain clogs like your bathroom sink, your kitchen sink, and also a bathtub. The compact size of this makes it so nice and convenient that you can stow it away in this little bag here and tuck it underneath your kitchen sink or your bathroom sink. And this is IPX7, which means it is waterproof for up to 3 feet for 30 minutes. So if you accidentally drop it in the sink that's full of water, don't worry, it's not going to damage the tool at all. Really good added feature. And this also does have an onboard LED fuel gauge on the tool itself by pressing the middle. Oh, actually, when you turn it one direction or the other, green means the battery's good. If the battery needs to be charged or swapped out, it'll turn red. Cool feature. Now, I do have to tell a little story about this. So a couple of weeks ago, I was on travel visiting my older daughter, which is in Oregon. And while I was over there, my wife called me on my cell phone frantically. Now, realize she has never fixed anything in her life, let alone any type of a home repair. And what had happened was the kitchen sink got clogged up and she didn't know what to do. So I told her, go out to my tool shed. I had just received this tool, which I haven't unboxed yet, and also the 18 volt, the brand new 18 volt drain auger as well. Told her, go ahead and pick one of those, unbox it, figure out how to put it together, and figure out how to use it all on her own without me telling her, and call me back when she's done. And I would like her personal feedback on how hard, how difficult, or how easy it was to assemble the tool and actually use it. And then 5 minutes later, such a very short period of time, my phone rang and it was her, and she was ecstatic because she had never fixed anything before in her life. And she was so proud that she did it on her own. And she said she opened up the box, she pulled all this out, didn't even need to read the instructions. She said it was so self-explanatory on how to put the cable on there, and even more self-explanatory that this goes down the drain and pick a forward or backward button, and that was it. And simply enough, she said the clog was fixed in 30 seconds to a minute. And when she did pull the cable out, it was full of slush. So I'm actually thankful she cleaned this. But that's how easy it is. So if my wife can use this real easily without any instruction, this is the perfect tool to put underneath that kitchen sink, especially when we're not at home. Anyhow, I'm Landon from Green Tool Garage. This is available now at homedepot.com. I'll leave a link for it so you can order your own in the description. And give us a like or give us a comment. Thanks for watching.